So I want to alert my friends, boys and girls in blue, that there is a potential, just a potential, for an incident of some magnitude in and around 2nd Avenue and Stewart around 12:30 p.m. today. And there may be blood. There may be fire. Anyway, I know because I know the people involved. And I'm this one creature. A murderous motherfucker. He's there. All dressed up like a transvestite. Wig. Big ugly fucking thing. But anyway, I'm just telling you that because innocent people should not be hurt. Nor should dogs. Because I love dogs. It's Operation Officer Windfall. I only found this out recently. Anyway, I don't know what you're gonna do. Put a camera up their fucking ass. It's Operation Officer Windfall.